Hello and welcome to Chapter 7. While loops A is going to be very similar to for loops A in that we're going to get you to print out a whole bunch of lines of numbers. Some of them odd, some of them even. And what we're going to do is we are giving you these here on the website. So you just go to the O7 while loops page and you can just copy these from here so you can print them. Now, I'm going to do the first one or two, and then you'll do the rest yourself. First thing you need to know is that you need to establish your integer, but you do not do it in the parameters like a for loop. For loop takes three parameters. It takes the initialization of the variable, the conditional statement, and the increment. This one only takes the conditional statement. But it is very similar. It's just while, and then you're going to do a set of brackets, and then you're going to do a set of curly brackets. Press enter. Now in here goes the conditional statement, but before we have the conditional statement, we have to initialize the variable. So I'm going to say int num01 is equal to, and we're printing out numbers 1 to 10, so we're going to start it at 1. So that's your starting number. We're going to just do that, and then we're going to print it out while num01, and we do not have to say it's an int anymore because we initialized it up here. Yeah, we're going to say is less than, and we're going to print out numbers 1 to 11. So I'm going to say less than 12 or less than and equal to. So we'll probably just do less than equals to and 11. Then we're going to say console dot write. I'm going to do a set of brackets. And then I'm going to do, so I'm going to go quotation mark, curly bracket 0, curly bracket, comma, quotation mark. I'm going to do comma. That's where I'm going to write the variable name. So I'm going to go num01. And then I'm going to go to the end of the line and I'm going to press semicolon. Then I have to increment it each time. So after it writes it out, we're going to say num01 plus, because it only needs to go up by 1, semicolon. And then I am going to, I guess I'll do a console.read key right here so I can hit enter so I can check in between each one. And I'll press start. And it printed out 1 to 11 with commas in between on the same line. Press enter, and then it does all the next ones as well. So let's look at the next one. So I'm going to cheat, and I'm going to go like this. Actually, I'll include the console.read key, and I'm going to go Control C, and I'm going to hit enter and Control V. So now initializing the variable, I'm going to call this num02. And this number is supposed to be starting at 3. Print the numbers 3 to 17. So then I'll start at 3. And then I'll put 17 here. And then I'll still go up by 1. And this needs to be num02 now. So I'm going to print. All right, so that one worked. So use the skills you've learned before. You remember you can use the modulus, which is the percent sign, so that only things that are even or odd can get printed out. So you'd have to put an if statement inside there, or you can go up by 2 for all of these. So give these all a shot. Pause the video now, give it a try, and if you can't get it, I'm just going to show you all the code at once for the rest of them. And here are all the code. This was the beginning one. This is the second we already did. Here's 3 to 17. So num01, 3 to 17, less than or equal to 17. But here we went, yes, here we still incremented by only 1. Then we had to print evens. So the only difference was we started at 80, finished at 96, but we did end num03 plus equals 2. Then we did the odds. The same thing here, but it should be plus equals 2. And then We printed 14 to 25, so simple 14 and 25, but plus plus on num05. And then I did print the evens, but I did it using the modulus on this one, so you didn't have to, but just a quick reminder, if num01% equals 2, percent 2 equals 0, that means that anytime you divide whatever num01 is by 2, the remainder is going to be 0, and that means it's an even number. So then we would print it out, and then we would increment it by 1. And so the second time it prints it when it's an odd number, this won't print out because this will be false. And then the last one, 7 to 21 odds, I did the plus equal 2 to increment it, started at 7, finished at 21. Thanks for watching.